The terrifying truth is that the next war won't be fought by humans at all. It will be decided by artificial intelligence. Future wars won't be fought by soldiers, but by intelligent systems, AI that predicts, reacts, learns, and evolves faster than any military in history, and two nations are racing to build it first. America is creating all-seeing battlefield AI, systems that can scan the entire planet in seconds. They forecast movement, weather, drone paths, even human behavior. In next-gen US command centers, quantum AIs run billions of simulations simultaneously. They don't just analyze the battlefield. They predict the next 60 seconds of reality. US is designing sentinel fields, autonomous terrain grids filled with microsensors and AI agents. They map every vibration, heat signature, and movement. China is building something even more radical, hive-intelligence. AI systems that coordinate thousands of machines as one, like a digital organism. China's drone constellations act as flying supercomputers, linking every robot, sensor, and satellite into one unified brain. The future battlefield won't be humans versus humans, but AI versus AI, algorithms competing in microseconds, rewriting strategies instantly. America leads in prediction. China leads in scale. The AI battlefield has only just begun.